Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make cutscenes in your Piggy game. So I'm pretty sure this is part 4 or 5. I think it's 5, but yeah. When you touch it, you won't be able to move, and you cannot play the cutscene again. And yeah, it's got text. Yeah, and then it'll move over to here. And then it will go over here and it will say done. Yeah, and you should, yeah, and then it will tell you to subscribe and like. So you can remove that part though. I'm going to show you how you can change everything, add more cameras, change the text, add more text. And I'm going to show you what all the scripts do. So yeah, you cannot trigger it again, so that's good. So yeah, so here's the cutscene play part. So yeah, there's a scripts and server service, which makes all the cameras invisible when you join in. And inside of start GUI, there's a script, and inside of it is a ball value, which is false. So yeah, right here we create a function, and right here it goes into a workspace and it gets this part, right, as you can see here, and when it's touched it will do this. So if this is set to false, then it will be set to true, so you can't trigger it again, and it will play the cutscene. So what makes it so you can't like trigger it while you're already in the cutscene is because I put else here. So if it's not playing, or if it is playing when you touch it, then all it will do is make it so you can walk, and it won't play any cutscenes or anything. So yeah, so if you want to change the text, just change the stuff in here. So I like cheese, something like that. Hello. This is a Piggy tutorial. Cool, right? Let's move the camera. So yeah, and you can also change the style it does it in. So right here it says out, so it will do that. It will like do the camera style thing on its way out. I'm going to change it to in, and I'm going to change that to cubic. I'm going to change this to, let's see, what have we got? Quint, okay. And if you want to add more cameras, just duplicate the latest camera you've got, or you can just create a part. Just duplicate any camera, yeah, and move it to where you want the camera to move to, and name it anything you like, something different. But I'm just going to name it like in the alphabet order, you know. So F. So it's camera F. And if we go into brick transparency, copy one of the lines and change this part here to the name of your camera. So it's going to be camera F. And in here, if you want to change the, if you want it and to make it so you can move to, it will move to that camera, you can just put a wait statement in here. Yeah, it has to be there or it won't show that. so change that to the latest camera it has moved to. So that will be E, because it says E here, and then it will move to camera F, and you can change how long it takes to move there. I'm just going to do 1. I'm going to change that to bounce on its way in, or in out, so it will do it when it goes in and in out. So yeah, and then it will wait 2 seconds. You don't have to put a wait statement there, like, because if you put text, so just if you want to add text, copy one of the lines here, copy that line and paste it underneath here. You don't have to put a wait statement here, but that just makes it so it will do it 2 seconds after it's moved to this camera part. So yeah, and it will say hello again, just an example. And yeah, and if we go and play, let's go and test it out. So we've got this part here. Alright, so for some reason we can move. Wait, no, we can't move anymore. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so let's move the camera. Hello. And I like cheese. Not move over here. Hello again, and then it will just, we can move again, and we cannot trigger the cutscene again. So, I hope this worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Remember that the model will be in the description or in the pinned comment. So yeah, goodbye.